Hello, everybody. And today I'm going to answer a question that I've been asked many a time. The question is that what kind of a mindset is required for an aspiring or to be a successful event planner? I'm going to break up my answer into two, three bits, right? Okay. The first bit is you require a lot of courage. Passion in our industry is a given. Hard work is obviously there. Pushing the mind, body, and soul to its uttermost limit is what is required. But above all, I believe the ability to remain calm in any situation is what makes a successful event planner. Moving on to the next point would be when I say the ability to remain calm, you can only remain calm if you have the knowledge, right? The theoretical knowledge. The practical knowledge is a given. Okay, you join an event company, you will get practical knowledge. You join an institute like ours, you will get a lot of events to do. But what about the theory? There is a lot of theory that you need to learn, a lot of research based theory that needs to go into becoming a successful event planner. Yeah, I would like you to consider this when you're taking up this career. Okay, it is not an easy career. The money can be and will be large over a period of time. Okay, but are you ready to put in your mind, body, and soul? Are you going to be able to study the theory and therefore remain calm in any kind of a situation? Yeah, this knowledge is absolutely essential. Okay, and this is the knowledge that is taught. And the next point I would say is there is a lot of glamour in our industry. You're going to meet a lot of people whom you never imagined that you're going to meet. Now, don't get carried away by the glamour. Stick to your job. The glamour will follow suit. It's a given. These are things that will happen. But you can't get influenced by the glamour. Okay. Uh, don't forget the hard work. Don't forget the theory part. Don't forget being calm under any situation. And that is what is going to make you a really successful event manager. I hope I've answered the question. Thank you. Until next time.